Okay, let's start today's class with theorem 3. According to this statement, opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now, first of all, let's make one parallelogram. Okay, let's make one quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal. Okay, let's make a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal. A, B, C, D. Here, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB and CD are equal. AB, CD is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal, means AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. Now you have to prove here ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, which means that is these opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Now let's construct construction. Let's make one diagonal. For that, let's join AC. Okay, let's join A and C. We can make BC as base. Okay. Let's join diagonal AC. Now two triangles are made here. Two triangles are made here where these opposite sides are equal. AB and CD are equal and AD and BC are also equal. Now let's make a table first. Means reason. First of all, let me make table. Now your two triangles are here. In triangle ABC and ADC. ABC and ADC are here. Now let's prove they are congruent. First of all, by which axiom are they congruent? All the sides are equal. That's why opposite we can write AB is equals to CD, which is given. Similarly, BC and AD also are equal. BC and AD are also given equal. And third, this AC is equals to AC because this is common side. If is it so, we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. ABC and ADC are congruent by SSS axiom, because this is also side, this is also side, and triangle ABC and ADC. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC. We are proving congruent by SSS axiom. Okay, by SSS axiom, these triangles are congruent. Now, after proving congruent, we have to prove that it is a parallelogram. For that, we will take alternate angles. We can take alternate angles like BAC, this angle BAC and angle DCA are equal. Okay, since these two are congruent, this angle and this angle are equal. Similarly, this angle and this angle, corresponding angles are equal. We can prove that they are equal, and if these two angles are equal, then alternate angles are equal, and if alternate angles are equal, then they are parallel. Angle BAC is equals to angle ACD. ACD. Similarly, angle BCA is equals to CAD, is equals to angle CAD. Corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles are equal. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles are equal. Now, if is it so, BAC, this from this BAC and this equal, so AD and BC are parallel. Right? If angle A and angle C are equal, we can write AD parallel to BC, because look, alternate angles are equal. BAC, ACD, BAC, that's why we can write AB parallel to CD. Reason is alternate angles equal. Because these alternate angles are equal, so lines are parallel. Similarly, we can write AD is parallel to BC. Here also same, being alternate angles. If two alternate angles are equal, then that is parallelogram. Parallel. Now, if opposite sides are parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Since opposite sides are equiparallel, that's why it is a parallelogram. Being opposite sides are, already this being is there, so we can write opposite only. Opposite sides are parallel, that is why it is a parallelogram. First of all, take one quadrilateral. First of all, take one quadrilateral where opposite sides are parallel equal, Now we can prove they are congruent first. After proving congruent, these corresponding angles are equal. Now these corresponding angles are congruent, alternate, like this angle A and this angle C. Similarly, BAC and DCA are equal. Now, if alternate angles are equal, then they are parallel. If alternate angles are equal, then they are parallel. Okay, next, if opposite angles of the quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. We have to prove if opposite angles are equal. Before we proved if opposite sides are equal, then parallelogram. Now here, if opposite angles are equal, then parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, in previous theorem we proved if opposite sides are equal, then they are parallelogram. Now here, if opposite angles are equal, then, oh sorry, this must be T. And if op yeah, it must be C, eh? Here it must be C. Okay, this is C, eh? You know this. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which angle A and angle C opposite angles are equal. Angle B and angle D are equal. We have to prove uh, ABCD is a parallelogram. In triangle, here directly we can write all the angles are equal. Opposite angle A and angle C, angle B and angle D are equal. So we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree, because sum of angle of quadrilateral. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now, in the place of C, we can write A because it is given, and in the place of D, we can write B. So angle A plus angle B plus, in the place of angle C, we can write angle A, and in the place of D, we can write B. That is why it is 360. Because angle A is equals to angle C and angle B is equals to angle D. Now, angle A plus angle A is directly we can do here A plus A, 2A plus 2b is equals to 360. Now 2 and 2 can be taken common, so a plus b is equals to this 2 and 2 common, so 180 will be there, 180. This is 360 degree. Here it is also 360 degree. Here it is also 360 degree. Now here 2 and 2 common, it will go another side, so 180 degree. Now you can see this in figure. Angle A plus angle B is 180. Angle A plus angle B is 180. It means this co-interior angle sum is 180. So we can write AD is parallel to BC. So we can write AD is parallel to BC because the sum of co-interior angle is 180. Sum of co-interior angle is 180. Okay, look here, right? This angle A plus angle B. Similarly, now let's prove A and D also 180. Same as above. Similarly, we can write angle D and angle C. Angles D plus angle C also 180 degree. Same as above statements and reason. If we keep here in the place of A and B, C and D, it will be C plus D is equals to 180. So here also we can write let's write A and D so that we can write if A and D are co-interior, so CD and AB. AB parallel to CD. Reason is same reason is 3. Yeah. Now here opposite sides are parallel, AD and BC. AD and BC parallel, AB and CD are parallel. So we can write here ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram because the opposite sides opposite sides are parallel. Okay, first of all we can take angle A and angle C equal, angle B and angle D equal, so total sum is 360 because it is quadrilateral. Now in the place of A we can write C, or in the place of C we can write A, same, and angle in the place of B we can write D, in the place of D we can write B. So A plus B is equals to 180 we can get, or n A plus D. Since A plus B is 180, these two are parallel, and since A and D 180, DC and AB are also parallel. Now opposite sides are parallel, that is why it is a parallelogram. Since opposite sides are parallel, it is a parallelogram. Now you will be copying this five times, okay? Please copy same theorems five times both.